Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan, and today I got another brand new video for you. We're going to be talking about the Air Jordan 4 amamanieres. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, the amamaniere Air Jordan 4 While You Were Sleeping released today over on the official amamaniere website at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Pretty similar with all amamaniere drops as of late. Pretty much you're going to go to the website, there's a domain change, click on the domain change, go for your size, hit the checkout. There usually is about a CAPTCHA, could be 1 to 2 CAPTCHAs. I had 1 CAPTCHA. You go through the process, tells you your estimated wait time. My estimated wait time, I got in at exactly 11 o'clock Eastern, and my wait time was about, I believe it was 10 or 12 minutes. So, got in, waited in the queue. I thought they were honestly going to sell out, right? Because I went for my size. It's a men's 11.5, which is a women's 13. And I'm thinking, 10 to 12 minutes, like, not good odds, right? And I checked out no problem. I actually doubled up on these things. I know, why are you doubling up on a shoe that is sitting? I know, well, here's the problem, and here's why I doubled up. I doubled up because of the same reason for these guys, the amamaniere Air Jordan 3s, is I doubled up because I don't know what sizing I am. Now, I got these in a size 11.5 and a size 12 because I was unsure how they were actually going to fit. Tried both on, the 12 fits me much better because these things actually run tight. So considering that those ran a little bit tight, I wanted to make sure I tried to grab both of my sizes. That way, whatever actually will fit me better is the one I'm going to be keeping, and then the other one I will have to get rid of. But yes, guys, that's right. You heard it, snippet before. These things are sitting. Now, here's the question. Should we be surprised? I don't think so. I just don't think so. I've been saying this for a while now. If you haven't been watching my videos, the economy and the time to buy sneakers for resale is dead. Buy what you like, buy what you're going to wear, and do not expect for these things to ever skyrocket up in price because the demand is clearly not there right now in the shoe game. Now, we'll get to that a little bit later. However, if you go on the website right now, as of this second, there is still pretty much a full size run, give or take. The smaller sizes actually did sell out. So like a women or a men's 3.5, which is, who's buying a men's 3.5 anyway? But a men's 3.5 all the way to a men's 8.5 is sold out on the website. But men's 9 through men's 12 is still in stock. 12.5 is sold out, and then you have a men's 13, which is still in stock as well. Now, on their official website, these things are retailed for $225. However, with that shipping price, and if you guys live in a state with taxes, these things are going to be more expensive than just that $225. Luckily for me, I live in a state where there is no sales tax on clothing. So I was able to get these things for a price out the door of $241. Now, overall, what do I think about the shoe? I think it's awesome. I really do like these shoes. I also think that these are better than the very first amamaniere Air Jordan 4, the violet ore colorway. That's just my personal opinion, but I like these better. Now, I have to wait to see what they are like in hand, whether the materials are up to par just like they were with the original, and if they're even close to these, because these things right here, the quality on the amamaniere Air Jordan 3s is phenomenal. And, I know that this is a very slept-on shoe as well. And I don't know if people are going to feel the same thing about the 4s. Now, let's be honest, right? The 4s, as of, the past 2 years or so, everything's been selling out. The 4s have, some people were saying 4s equal 400, right? Because there were some colorways that seemed like they would slowly creep up in price to like that $350 to $400 range. And ever since like the end of last year, it seems like maybe even now the 4s are being played out because, as we could tell from this most recent release, they're sitting. Now, again, I have to ask the question, is this because of the current climate, or is it because people are not into shoes, or is it because of the amamaniere color scheme? Okay, now, we all know that the color palette for amamaniere is neutral colors. It's that violet ore, it's this gray color, it's the blacks, it's the, you got the creams in there as well. So is the color scheme and the color palette for amamaniere played out as well? Are people just sick of seeing, you know, a similar colored shoe? Let's be honest, right? Because everything that they released is within that color palette except for the Dawn Air Jordan 5s. It was that off-white, light grayish color with the blue, which it was a very nice pair, and I actually really liked that. I actually thought they were better than the black pair. But let me know down below in the comment section, do you think this is because of the color palette from amamaniere, and are you personally sick of seeing the same type of colors on the amamaniere collaborations? Now, these things are also going to be releasing on sneakers. There is no official date as of right this moment. But we do have official images now from, you know, the leakers. They kind of leak up the official images before they get, you know, officially like where you can see them on the Sneakers app, but in the back end, they are currently loaded for Sneakers app. Now, if you wanted to wait for these things, it's actually smart because now you're not going to be hit with that, you know, shipping cost from amamaniere, which, you know, shipping with your Nike sneakers account is for free. So you will be able to get them a little bit cheaper. And yeah, guys, so if you want them, you can currently still get them from amamaniere. If you're waiting for sneakers, they will be dropping on sneakers as well. No official date as of yet. But let me know down below in the comment section if you guys ended up picking up this pair of shoes, what you guys think about it overall. And again, let me know, are you sick of the amamaniere color palette, or was just this not a shoe you were currently interested in? And that's going to do it for me today, ladies and gentlemen. So if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, as well as don't forget to hit the bell so you're going to get notified when I upload, as well as please share my content if you guys have friends, family members, so on and so forth, that are interested in my channel content, such as sneakers, right? Sneaker news, sneaker unboxes, sneaker reviews. Just go ahead and if you could do me a favor, just share my content because we are growing. It's slow, but we are growing and I truly do appreciate it. And that's going to do it for the video today, ladies and gentlemen. So my name is Dylan. You guys just chilled with Dill and I'm out. Peace.